Mercy. Mercy is consistent Buddha's teaching since the period of the primitive Buddhism. It refers to warm-hearted friendship in the Buddha period. Why was it taken into Buddhism? Friends see things in a common way as standing on the equality without a relation of the upper and the lower. When you feel joy, I will feel joy too. When you are sorrowful, I am so too. Your joy is my joy. Mercy is based on like these relations. Impartiality was Buddha's fundamental attitude. Mercy is the situation as impartiality. I show you the mercy verses in Sutta Nipata, the primitive Buddhism conveyed in Sri Lanka. Those who know ultimate ideal and have attained the stage of peace should do as follows. Be talented, honest, right-minded, soft, and talk gently. Never be arrogant. Section 143rd. Just like a mother protecting her baby while sacrificing her life, we should have infinite mercy for all living things. Section 149. We should have infinite mercy for the world as well, to the upper, lower, as well as sideways. We should do without any barrier, grudge and hostility. Section 115. Awakening to mercy at the beginning standpoint of Buddhism and the final goal as well. We can say that it is the theme of which human beings have to solve. I heard from my friend that Sri Lankan people chant the mercy verses in Sutta Nipata at the wedding ceremony. It is a marvelous culture for young generations to learn Buddha's teaching at the beginning of new life. Please keep in mind such Sri Lankan customs.